For most of this week, I'll be reflecting on the Trinity, not from a theological point of view, but from the point of view of our everyday experience. So, yesterday I talked about God and the creativity of God the Father. Today I want to talk about God the Son, whom we profess to be the Redeemer. We know that Jesus Christ, the Son of God, is no longer with us in the flesh. But the ongoing work of redemption continues. It is entrusted to us who are the disciples, the followers of Jesus. And so we're presented with opportunities to redeem and to be redeemed every day. So we restore relationships when we forgive each other. We build the unity that Jesus called for when we reconcile our differences. The friend who listens carefully to a grieving friend is redeeming them from the pain and the isolation of their loss. A counselor can open up the possibility of healing a broken marriage. A program, a mentor, and a support group can bring about redemption from addiction. Each one of us can do the redemptive work of peacemaking when we resolve conflicts without raised voices or harsh words. Our acts of charity and justice bring redemption to persons suffering from poverty and prejudice. And so the redemptive work of God the Son, whom we hail as Redeemer, continues, and it has been entrusted to us, and we have the ability to be redeemers in our everyday lives.